Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video we saw the unit 6 part 1. In that we learned SMS telephony location based service and uh, zoom control, getting the location and location data, monitoring the location. In this lecture we will learn the unit 6 part 2. What are the outcomes of this video? The learner will be able to understand the data and Android security model, platform security architecture, using permission and declaring and enforcing the permission using the custom permission. Let's see the first location data. Location data means what? The location is data. It is include the current location of the device. Also the direction check whether device has moved across the predefined geographical boundary method of movement. These are the location of data. Is provide a simply way to display the device location on the map done through the my location layer. And different types of using location source and monitoring location. The location source means it's a public interface, that is a location source. The typically to Google Map object is define an interface by providing the location data, that is a location source. In Google Map, the object has built-in location provider for its my location layer, but it can be replace the location. Google Map, that object active its location is provided using the activate on the location. While active, it is a location provided should be push periodic location update to the listener and register the active. It is a location source. The next is a monitoring location is Android location in the API can be used to monitor your mobile in a current location and show in a app. In this point, well the develop a application that fetch the user current location and make a new project and choose the map project. Make a project is a Google console and add the key and your project. This is a location of data. In that we learn the location source and monitoring the location. The next is a Android security model. In Android security model means uh, it is a provider's design review and penetrations testing and code review, open source and community review, in incident response and monthly security update. These are the include in a Android security model. The first is a design review. This design review simply is an Android security process. The focus in the development life cycle with the formation of the security model and design. The feature of the platform is renewed by the engineering and security resource, which suitable security control is combined into the architecture of the system. The next is penetration testing and code review. In this development of the platform, Android create an open source mechanism for the subset to dynamic security review. This review are performed by the Google Information Security Engineering team, Android security team and independent security consult. The main aim of this review is identify the weakness and possibility well before the major release. The next is a open source and this is a common community review means it is a board security review by interest of the party. Open source technology that have the undergone significant external security review, such as the Linux kernel used by the Android. The next is the incident response. The security issue may occur after the shipping, which is why the Android project has created in a comprehensive security response process to solve the security issue in Android security team member and monitoring the Android specific and the journal security community for the discussion of the potential vulnerability. Means it is incident response. The last one is a monthly security update. The Android security team is provide monthly update to Google Android device and all our device manufacturing the partner. These are the Android security model. The next is a platform security architecture. Basically, the platform security architecture is a initiate from the ARM that aim to address some of the shortcoming with IoT security. It has the goal to demi, demystify, demystify the implementation choice and bring the coherence to the IoT ecosystem. The issue is how the implement together into the holistic end-to-end solution. Simply the platform security architecture basically is a Android purchase to be the most safe and enable operating system for the mobile platform from reposing the traditional operating system. Is a protection for the app and user data. Is a protection of the system resource and is Android app isolate from the system. To achieve this objective, Android provided this key security feature can be used. The Android security is strong security at iOS OS level through the Linux kernel. The mandatory apps sandbox for the all apps. The security model informed the Android platform security design for the beginning, but has been formally the published to describe the outside the Google. Next is a using permission. App permission help to support user privacy, protecting the access to the following, like a restricted data such as the system state and the user contact information. Restricted actions such as the connecting to the pair device and recording audio. Using permission, Android application uh, cannot do anything that would impact user experience or data on the device. To make use the protect features of the device, you must include your Android manifest.xml one of the tag declaring the permission that your application is need. At application install time, the permission requests by the application are granted to by the package installer based on the check against the signature of the application. The next is the declaring and enforcing the permission. Enforce your own permission. You must first declare then the your Android manifest.xml using one or more. The, it is used declaring and enforcing permission tag. To enforce your own permission, you must be first declare this file and next is a application that you want to control who can start one active could declare permission tag use. Next tag use protection level also tag use is attribute is required telling the system how the user to be inform the application requiring the permission or who allowed to hold the permission and describe the link document. These are the declaring and enforcing the permission. Use the permission tag, protect level attribute to set all the permission in a network communication. Use view Wi-Fi state, create Bluetooth connectivity. These are the permission. Declare the permission. The next is using custom permission. Using custom permission, Android allowed defining the custom permission with your application. You can use custom permission, these types of control, like a custom permission let you define the access, check that you can assign to the user via permission, set the profile similar to how assign the permission and other access setting. If you want to avoid certain user from the starting one of the activity in your application, the programmer could do that defining the custom permission. To use the custom permission, you first declare in your Android manifest.xml file. Once you define the permission, you can then refer to its part of your component define. We'll show how to work. Let's create an application containing the activity that not everyone is allowed to start. Inserted to start the activity, a user must have the specific permission. You have to application with the privilege activity. You can then write the client that know how to call the activity using custom permission. Thank you, dear student. This is the Unit 6 Part 2 PPD. In next video, we will see the remaining part of Unit 6. And student, you have any doubt regarding this session, note down your queries. We will solve your doubt in upcoming online session. Thank you.